Okay, good day everyone. Pedro here once again, and today on this video blog, I'm going to show you how to create an API on Binance and API on GDAX or Coinbase GDAX. And then after that one, I'm going to make a quick explainer or a quick discussion why is it important and why use it use the API as opposed to having your account shared to like your account directly shared to someone else who you want or who you wish manage your account. Okay, but before we get started, let me go. All right, there you go. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, again, good day everyone. Pedro here. All right. At ang ating pagbabalik, and I will explain this in two language or bilingual or maybe trilingual, English, Tagalog, and Cebuano. API, which stands for Application Program Interface. So API is mostly used by so many apps, so that two or three or 100 apps can communicate with each other using this particular interface or program interface. All right, share guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button if you do understand and if you think this is really helpful for you. Okay, let's go ahead and start with Binance, and then after that one, let's go to Coinbase and Coinbase GDAX. And I would like to use Binance.us in particular because there's a lot of sooner or later there'll be a lot of like my US friends who would like to have their accounts managed, and we use Binance.us. This is right over here because this is the only not only but one of the exchanges that allowed to be used in the US. Alright, so let's go ahead now. Okay, good day, good afternoon again everyone. So this is what it looks like when you're in the trading format with Binance.us. Okay, Binance.us in particular. So if you click this one, this is your dashboard. This is, thank you for the like, Joanne. Thank you so much. Shout out to Joanne. And again, I'll do this in bilingual. Tagalogin ko, and then at the same time Englishin ko rin kasi I do have a lot of friends or US friends who might be listening or who might find this information super useful. Okay, guys, for the US residents, you cannot use Binance.com. You're not allowed to do it, but you're allowed to use Binance.us exchange. So let's go to the meat of the blog today. So Binance.us, and where can you find the API? API is somewhere under your name. If you create an account, after you create an account, right over here, or after you play with Binance, play around, tinker around, and try to do some dust trades. Dust like dust. Ano sa abog ba? Alikabok. Dust trades. We call it dust trades. Like trading by $10 minimum or $11 per position minimum. So this is where you are going to go to create an API under your name tab and API management tab. So just simply open that one or click that one, and then click that, and then you'll be directed to create an API. So again, API is very useful, or maybe not right now, but in the future, because you might be trading right now, and in the future you may want to have someone trade your account by a professional trader, like experienced trader. Like I would say, I am one of those experienced trader with cryptocurrency. I've been doing trading cryptocurrency since 2005, 16, even when GDAX were still on the baby or conception. So and Binance actually existed sometime in 2017 or late 2016. So and now they're huge, huge. Okay, an API. So you create your name right over here. Maybe you can create say John D Juan. All right, whoever that is, and then you create. And I already have an API right over here. This is an API. I don't mind somebody copy that. It's not that, well, doesn't matter for me. So you create one, and once you create that one, thank you for the share, Jomar Corafe. Thank you. You put your Google authentication, of course. That's how to secure your account. So I will use my Google authenticator. I always use Google authenticator, but if you have something else, then you can use it. So Binance.us, it's random 383. Oops, sorry for that. 383 and 941. That's my Google authenticator. Okay, confirmation sent to my email, and then I'll go to my email. Not here. I don't want. Okay, leave first. I'll open it somewhere. I'll open it on my okay, on my email. So I'm walking you through, guys, on how you're going to create an API. There you go. Binance.us, create an API. Confirm. I should open that right over here. Ay nako, dito na lang, saka i-open ko dito. Ayan, Gmail. So madali lang, guys, napakadali, it's so quick. Just all you need to do is to confirm. Okay, here we go, create an API key, and then confirm API key creation, and then there you go. Now I have it and verified. Now I have my new API. So I have now the two API keys. One is the API key and the other one is a secret key. Okay, I don't care. You can always delete this. I'll delete this after. Make sure you copy and then put it on your notepad. Okay, make sure you do that. Put that on your notepad. This one right over here. That's your API key. Copy that. Simply just hit the copy button and then put it somewhere on your notepad. Thank you, Nick Elkana. And then after you copy the one, make sure you copy the secret key as well. Just double click it. You don't need to drag it. If you drag it, sometimes you make a space as a character. So this is it's way better for you to just double click it and then copy and put it, paste it, or save it somewhere in your notepad, or wherever you want it to be saved, on your spreadsheet, or spreadsheet is good too. You can just save the two, because you know why? If you don't save this, this is what would look like after you have this. The secret key becomes an asterisk. It's to protect your account from potential hacker. So make sure you have this and kept this, all right, in a secure place. Maybe you should lock it, so you have that. Once you have that, then you have your API, then bingo. So you already have your API, okay? And then that's the one you're going to give to your manager. So your manager would ask you for the API key and the secret key. So yan po ang kailangan nila para makuha po nila, para mag-communicate po. All right. So on here, you can always opt out, and by default enable withdrawals are opt out. by default. But even though if you put that, if you click that button right over there, it doesn't even matter. Doesn't affect anything anyway. You know why? Because when you do withdrawals, just in case you allow withdrawal up in there, it always asks for an email. It always email you. It either asks for an authenticator, authentication code, yada yada, and it's only you who can manage it. Okay, so what the manager can do is simply trade. So enable spot trading, or you can also enable futures trading if you want, but I don't do futures with. I don't trade futures with the account that is being managed. You know, it's too risky, and I like spot trading better than trading in futures, especially with the APIs with the account. So that's how easy it is. Ganun lang kadali. And then you provide that and have your manager trade your account, and bingo, that's it. Boom. Nothing more, nothing less. Now for the Coinbase, for those in the US who have Coinbase, you can always automatically have a Coinbase GDAX account. Which what is GDAX? GDAX is the trading platform for the Coinbase. Um, I'm not a fan of Coinbase exchange. I like their wallet. I use their wallet, but their exchange is it's it's straightforward. It's so simple, and they only have very few options for the coins. Not very many. Not very many. Not as impressive as Binance. Coinbase. So Coinbase is a good for wallet. But anyway, speaking of which, where can we find the API for GDAX? Is right over here, still under the name, and there's an API in there, and it directs you to create. I already have my own API, so I don't worry. Here's my API, guys. Okay, nickname 32 Freemason, yada yada. I can copy this and put this, or I can create a new API. Where's my secret key? I don't have my secret key because by default secret keys are always deleted, or just to protect the account. So that's how easy it is. There you go. That's API. Okay, why is this super important, guys? This is super important if you want to have your Binance or your GDAX or your trading account managed. And that's the in for today. Like, say for example, I manage several accounts, okay, and several accounts actually, and you can do the deal, whatever the agreement between you and the manager of your account. Remember, they can only manage and trade your account, not with your account. So this is super duper, super hyper, oh grabe, safe. All right, as far as securing your asset in the platform. So why is this important? Okay, again, it can help your manager, instead of your manager asking for your account, your password, yada yada, which is no, don't do that. Don't give your passwords, don't give your account to anyone else. All right. So explainer, a little bit of an explainer. API are programs, or little programs before, wherein the sole purpose of which is for one app to communicate with another app, or it can be connected with another app remotely. And this is I think any developers right now understand the importance of the use of the API. So if you are in the crypto right now, if you're really serious about cryptocurrency, then this is the way to go for you to, if you don't want to have your account, if you're tired of reading those indicators, or watching those indicators, testing those indicators. If you got tired of doing those stuff, then maybe you can have somebody to have your account check every now and then. And this is the only way, the safest way for your account to be checked, double checked, and managed using the API key. All right, I think that's how it is for today. I will not go long because later, guys, I'll be doing signals. Okay, for the futures. Those who are future wakwaks or future aswang na sa future. Okay, mga addict sa futures, magpa-futures tayo mamaya. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you get a good information as to how to create an API. Very easy, very simple. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. Starting.